Okay, all guys, very welcome in this video, and you are watching TGRL. As we know, TGRL is the technological education platform. So here you can earn your diploma or certification or degree, and as we know, TGRL is the most awarding platform for the all youth. Where is my marker? So I think so. Yes, I got. All right, all viewers, all students. So right now, Nitin sir going to teach you that is the engineering mechanics and the importance of engineering mechanics. So this content dedicated for the polytechnic student or engineering student who are studying in the first year or direct second year at a polytechnic or we can say engineering level. So as we know, we are dealing with the forces. So what is force? If I up this pen, then some upwarding force is applying on this pen with the help of my hand. Okay. So these are the force. If I push this pen like this, so I applying this kind of force on the pen. So that pen moves from here to here. Okay. So these are the example. So as we know, lots of important concept in mechanics. So engineering mechanics. Engineering mechanics. So we are going to study the forces. Okay. Then we are studying frictions. Okay. Then we are studying equilibrium. Then we are going to study that is simple machines. Okay. And the fifth one is that is the forces, friction, equilibrium, simple machine, and fifth and sixth I will introduce very soon of this two topic, or we can say two unit. These are the four unit, that is force, friction, equilibrium, simple machine. So if I discuss, you can attend आप अमरावती सिटी के आजू बाजू के अगर स्टूडेंट होंगे तो यू कैन अटेंड ऑफलाइन क्लास आल्सो एट अबोव पंजाब नेशनल बैंक, ड्रीम्सलैंड बिजनेस पार्क, नागपुर हाईवे रोड, अमरावती. एंड इफ you are staying long like another district or we can say another state, then you can attend with the help of this YouTube media, and you can attend with digitally, and you should attend also our weekend test that is conducted by the TGRL. As we know, TGRL offer the quality education. TGRL. So आपने TGRL नाम तो काफी सुना होगा अभी, क्योंकि this name is going on totally trending in the all media platforms. So that's why, as we know, TGRL taking the responsibility for changing the whole thinking about the technology. So we are going to transfer our skill from technology to wealth for all Indians, or we can say non-Indians also. So nothing issue. You are Indians or non-Indians, all human beings is welcome at TJRL. But we need to one commitment, that is spread this knowledge across your relatives, families, friends, best friends, college friends, or any kind of friend. But just share this data. Okay. I think so. Friction spelling going wrong, so that's why we need to correct it. मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि इंजीनियरिंग मैकेनिक्स में अगर आपको टॉप होना है तो नो एनी ऑप्शन without TJRL. TJRL is only medium if you need to secure in your engineering mechanics highest score, then you need to join TJRL. And as you know, TJRL having the great experience in this we can say engineering mechanics, because TJRL provide the space technology course, or we can say robotics, and as we know courses is too much important factor in this study. So that's why we can, here you can learn in very efficient manner, that is the engineering mechanics by NW. What? NW Manohar. NW Manohar. Okay. NW Manohar sir. So as we know, सभी के आपके प्यार की वजह से अब ये नाम भी काफी चर्चा में रह रहा है, NW. Okay. So definitely this is my name, NW Manohar, and I am teaching you the engineering mechanics. So I am going to correct the spelling for friction, that is friction. Okay, so this is our second chapter. First one is forces, second one is friction, third one is equilibrium, fourth one is simple machine. I don't know right now what is your fifth and sixth. I need to check whether any change as per our new scheme or not, because last 2 years it may be, I think so, change from various boards, or we can say examination boards. So that's why I need to confirm once again. So अगर हमारे कोई भी स्टूडेंट को या फिर व्यूअर्स को any problem related to our engineering mechanics, then simply call to the Nitin sir, and our official number is 98905944 and 18. This is our official contact number. 10 AM to 6 PM. Okay, so please call between this duration. So you are watching TJRL, and please share this content, across your friends. Relatives. All right. So all viewers and students, keep watching TJRL. Share this content across your friends and families, or we can say relatives and best friend, any kind of friend, but just share it. And I think so, जैसा आप सभी को पता है कि नितिन सर ने जो इंजीनियरिंग मैकेनिक्स का जो ज्ञान बांटा है वो काफी हमको हेल्पफुल रहेगा. So these are the strongly hope across the all viewers, or we can say student. And definitely Nitin sir facing too much. Nitin sir doing too much struggle for your quality of engineering mechanics achievement in the engineering mechanics. So right now I am going to stop here. Just in this content I show you the subject of the topic of the engineering mechanics, or we can say topic. Okay, so these are the topic. Okay, so once again, all viewers, all lovely viewers or student, please stay connected with TGRL. And definitely Amravati gives us too much value in Amravati city. Then right now another city is your city. It may be Nagpur, or it may be Aurangabad, or it may be Jalgaon, Bhusawal, or it may be Pune, Mumbai, or we can say any city across the state, or we can say another state also, because after all we are working in across the India and near about out of India also with digitally right now. So all guys, keep watching TGRL. Please share this content. If you really helpful this content, so you can like this. And for your continuous upgradation, please subscribe it, so that you can take immediate alert for the new content by the TGRL. So you can send us the request. Just you need to save this contact number in your smartphone, and just write TGRL in this message. TGRL, hi TGRL, I am XYZ student from this districts, or we can say this state, or we can say just write your proper address, so we can identify where you are related. So all viewers, thanks a lot again. Thanks to the YouTube, thanks to the internet provider. So these are responsible for meeting us between two person, like a speaker and listener. Listener is you, student. Oh, okay, all right. Keep watching TGRL.